common narrative about internet is that we are living in an immediatist world where all the things seem to fight for our attention. So finding non-intrusive ways to browse news and articles has become more and more difficult, as we are constantly rewarded for using apps and websites that are architectured to entice us to see what they want us to see. And today I want to show you the new way that I consume news. It is a combo of a Kindle, a smartphone, and an Instapaper account. And if you have already a Kindle, great! This workflow is totally inexpensive for you. And this video focuses on the mobile experience, but at the end of the video there is a tip that will unlock the same workflow for your computer as well.
Come on, Kindle. It is not the time to update.
So I decided to make an experiment. Slow down the time and the cadence that I was consuming news and articles, and I set a goal to myself that I could only read these types of content again if I had saved them to read later in order to avoid the urge of consuming them immediately. But that scenario wasn't still the ideal for me. I was always having my phone on or my laptop around, and I was using these devices as my readers. And doing a quick research, I eventually stumbled upon Instapaper and it fitted right in my needs. That is, still using my phone to find what to read, but read them without all the distraction that a phone might cause. So, as I mentioned before, we are going to use an Instapaper account, a Kindle, and a smartphone. With the Instapaper app installed on your phone, you can easily share with it links from any other app, and it will digest the link as a clean formatted text, preserving the images so you can read it later. But the real magic happens with the integration it has with Kindle. So basically, the integration works this way. We have our smartphone here. We are going to use any app to share links with Instapaper, and then Instapaper will work its magic and send the articles to our Kindle later on. So let me show you how in the practical part of this workflow. In the settings of your Instapaper account, scroll down to Kindle. And before we do anything here, we need to add this email provided by Instapaper to the list of approved emails in the Kindle settings. This is the email which Instapaper will send the articles from, and this configuration is needed for security reasons. So we copy this Instapaper email and click on the link to Kindle Personal Document Settings. Once we are in the Kindle settings, we add this email in the section of approved emails as I mentioned and click Save. Now we copy the email under Send to Kindle Settings, and this is the email that Instapaper will send the articles to. As I want Instapaper to send the articles automatically to my Kindle, I leave this first option on. And in the delivery frequency section, you can customize it very smartly. It not only offers you the day and the time, but it also allows you to specify the amount of articles that will be sent in the batch to be delivered to your Kindle. And the cherry on top here is if you choose the weekly delivery, the articles will be sent to you on Friday, so it's perfect for that weekend reading. And that's it. We can now save the Kindle preferences. Let's send some articles to Instapaper. Here I'm sending articles that I have pre-selected for this video, and all I have to do now is wait for them to show up on my Kindle. Instapaper will send them based on the settings that I have set up on the website. Going now to Kindle, you can see that Instapaper sends the batch of the articles as if it is a book. And every article is organized as a book chapter. So you can select one, scroll through them, read it, go to the next one, and go back. And every feature on Kindle works the same way for these articles, like highlighting and search. Instapaper has different ways to save content, but the one for the browser is an extension. After you have installed it, it will show up on your browser, and when you click on it, the article will be saved, just like we did using a smartphone. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I see you soon.